Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create and manage folders on Linux. So first of all, of course, we need to go into our apps and open our terminal, and I will show in the video pretty basic things, but for some people that might be helpful, so we'll start. How to create folder on Linux. We are using basically a command like this, mkdir, that stands for make directory, and right here we will choose our name, so for example test, and we created a folder that name is test. We can leave that. As you can see, our test folder is here. We can move to it. So I showed how to use this command in the previous video, so you can check that. But we can do it right here. As you can see, we are in the folder. How can we create multiple nested folders? So for example, we want to create at once the folder on test and another folder in this folder and so on. How can we do this? For example, we are using the same command, but we have to add -p, and right now we will, for example, test2. We will do it test2, and for example folder and folder 2. We don't have to do it this slash right here, but we can leave it like that and press enter. And as you can see, our test2 folder is here. We can move to it, so test2. Right here, as you can see, our folder is here, so I can move to it, and right here our folder 2 is also here. As you can see, it is working. We can go back to our home, and right now, how to remove folders. So we can do it by this command, so rm, that stands for remove, and is here, and we will remove our test and press enter. As you can see, our test is no longer here, but if we will do it with the test2, as you can see, it is giving us an error because the directory is not empty. This command works only with the empty directories, because our test was empty. It worked, but our test2 have another folder in it, so it doesn't work. How to remove a folder and all the things that are stored inside? We can use the command rm, the same that we are using for removing files, for example, but we have to add option -r, and right now we can remove our folder test2, and as you can see, our folder disappeared. And that's basically all I wanted to show you in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.